So you want a big sound, but you have no space for big loudspeakers or stand-mounted loudspeakers? Well, then there is a little trick that might help you. When even small loudspeakers placed on stands are inconvenient for you because it takes up too much space, there is a way to get big sound in your house while being creative with the space that you have. What you do is you take a loudspeaker and you place it close to the wall. Then you use a second pair of the same kind of loudspeakers and place it right above the first one. You place one set at ear level and another will be placed much higher. And just like when you connect one set of loudspeakers, the ones on the left are connected to the left channel and the ones on the right are connected to the right channel of your amplifier. And all you need is a stereo amp for just one set of loudspeakers. For this demo I took a cable that has black and red wires and twisted them together. So they look both red and black, and that may be confusing, but when I say black I mean the return, and when I say red wire I mean the positive side. When you have an amplifier and you have a loudspeaker connected, you always have two lines. One being the positive or the red wire, one being the return or the black wire. And at the rear of the amplifier you have a setup like this for one side. So you need a black wire and you need a red wire. But here's how we do it in this setup. So what I did, I placed two loudspeakers over there. Focus. Thank you very much. And this is how it works. Your black wire goes to the black posts on the bottom loudspeaker. Then your red wire does not go back to the amplifier, but as you can see, in this case, it goes back to the, up to the black post from the second loudspeaker, and then you have a red wire left, and this will return to the red side of the amplifier. So let me do that again. From the amplifier you go to black, you go from red to black, from the bottom to the top loudspeaker, and then you go to complete the circle back from red to the amplifier, and that's all there is to it. In order to hear the differences, I recorded 3 sound samples. Sample 1 will be the 2 loudspeakers on the stands, sample 2 is 2 loudspeakers in the bookcase, and sample 3 is all 4 loudspeakers connected as shown in this video. Yes, I understand. Demonstrating on YouTube is useless, but then again, it is also the only way for me to give you some kind of impression of the effect. In short, I can say that connecting 4 loudspeakers this way will give you a much bigger sense of scale when you play your music. Now, I bought these Tannoy loudspeakers, the Mercury M1, for some $50 a pair. So for $100 you can really have a big sound in your house. I hope you liked this little demo and maybe it inspired you to do a little test like this at home. If you do, please share your experience in the comments. Now, the sound samples I showed you were much longer, so just for fun I placed them all 3 on the end of this video, plus a bonus. And the bonus is the same setup with all 4 loudspeakers but played at a higher level. So thanks for watching and see you next time.